Hello, this is Nathan Lott, and on today's screencast, I'm going to be talking about an app called Cocktail Flow. I'm not a huge drinker, but I do enjoy a nice cocktail now and then. I've been collecting liquor over a few years, and now I have a collection of basics such as bourbon, gin, light and dark rum, tequila, and vodka. I also have some liqueurs such as Kahlua, Triple Sec, and Blue Carousel. I really like the way that this app is organized and it is easy to use. For the most part, I'm going to be using the iPad version shown on my M1 Mac. As you know, with the M1 Macs, you can download iOS apps on right onto your Mac, and this is one of the ones that works on it. So let me bring up Cocktail Flow. And you notice that you have 5 tabs at the bottom. You have Discover, Cocktails, Ingredients, Assistant, and more. You'll have a cover flow type of design at the top. So you have your rum drinks, your gin drinks, your tropical drinks, long drinks, martinis. If we click on tropical, for example, then you have a list of the tropical drinks you can make along with how light, medium, or strong they are as far as alcohol content. So if I wanted to do a margarita, the ingredients are tequila, Cointreau, and lime juice. You can tell how many servings you're going to make, 1, 2, 3, or 4. And whether you want to have your directions in milliliters, centiliters, ounces, or parts. I think I'm going to do mine in ounces. And then you have your preparation directions. So step 1, garnish with salt the rim of the glass. Fill up the shaker with ice cubes. Pour lime juice, Cointreau, and tequila into the shaker. Shake it well, strain into a glass, and then garnish with a lime wedge. Then there are also tips like how to rim the glass with salt, how to strain for shaken drinks, and how to shake with a cocktail shaker. And each one of these gives you some tips and directions. You can also add notes for each cocktail that you make. And then you also have a very nice picture and what type of glass to use. You can also star it and it will be added to your favorites. Also in your Discover tab, you have a Surprise Me section. So every time you click it, you get a new cocktail. This is a tequila sunrise, which needs tequila, orange juice, and grenadine. It tells you what equipment you need. In this case, it's a Collins glass, and it originated in the U.S. around 1950. And what source it comes from. In this case, it's IBA Cocktails, the International Bartenders Association, and it even has a website that you can go to. Then you can also sort by base spirit. So if you want to see all the rum drinks, all the gin drinks, all the whiskey, tequila, brandy, vodka. You also have cocktail types like classic, creamy, short, long drinks, tropical, or sparkling. And then the latest ones that are added to the list, like the Mikado or the Olympic. And then cocktails around the world. So ones originating in France, in Italy, in the USA, in Mexico, Cuba, UK. Next is the cocktail section. And this gives an alphabetical list of all of the cocktails that they offer or they have in their database. You can also search and you can also filter. So you can sort by cocktail name, cocktail strength, or date added, whether they're non-alcoholic, light, medium, or strong, what the base ingredient is, what the color is, or when it was originated. Next are ingredients. So if you have 7-Up and you want to see what kind of drinks you can make with 7-Up, you get a list. And these are food and drinks. So apples or apple juice, blackberries, grapes, blue carousel, even brown sugar, celery, cherries, chili peppers. And next we'll go to the assistant. Here's my favorite part of the app, and this is my bar. So you can go through and tell what ingredients you have. So I have white rum and dark gold rum. I don't have a dark rum. And then just choose the ingredients that you have and save. What kind of vodka you have, what kind of tequila, brandy, whiskey, gin, and other spirits. And then basics. So have ice, I have simple syrup, white rum, gin, vodka, whiskey, some amaretto, triple sec, lemon juice, orange juice, and you just click on the items that you have and the liqueurs that you have, and then it will tell you all the cocktails that you can make with the ingredients that you own. I think this is probably the coolest part of the whole app. If you see a little diamond over it, that means that these are only included in the premium version. And it is a subscription, which is $3.99 a month or $20 a year. You can also favorite cocktails, add your own notes, add your own cocktails. If they have they have a recipe that you don't have or that they don't have, and you want to add that in, you can. And so you give the ingredient names, how many ounces, and the preparation steps, and then you can add all of that in. There are 16 tips that you can browse through, and they even have some cocktail books that you can look at or buy with a link to Amazon to check them out. Finally, under More, you can manage your subscription, select your language, and you get access to the development team on Twitter, Facebook, and you can give them feedback or rate the app. I just really like the way that it's laid out. It's very easy to use, and it's a really nice database of all the different cocktails that are available, or at least that are available from them. And that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.